Every day is special. Every day is special. I wake up and see the sun. I wake up and see the sun. I feel its warmth. I feel its warmth. I hear the birds sing. I hear the birds sing. I open my eyes. I open my eyes. I see the world. I see the world. I see colors everywhere. I see colors everywhere. I see the sky, so blue. I see the sky, so blue. I see trees, so tall. I see trees, so tall. I see flowers, so pretty. I see flowers, so pretty. I see people, so busy. I see people, so busy. I see animals, so cute. I see animals, so cute. I taste my breakfast. I taste my breakfast. I eat delicious food. I eat delicious food. I feel the water on my hands. I feel the water on my hands. I wash my face. I wash my face. I hear laughter and talk. I hear laughter and talk. I go outside. I go outside. I feel the breeze. I feel the breeze. I watch the clouds. I watch the clouds. I see them move. I see them move. I see the stars at night. I see the stars at night. Every day has wonders. Every day has wonders. I appreciate them all. I appreciate them all. Life is full of beauty. Life is full of beauty. Every day is a gift. Every day is a gift.